Friends, have you ever heard of emotional intelligence? And have you ever wondered why is it important to learn something called emotional intelligence? I am Samir Parekh and I work with emotional intelligence, and I have been working with this for quite a number of years. Emotional intelligence is some very interesting concept. Let's start with how a human being is constructed. A human being is constructed with three basic building blocks. The first block is called our personality. That's the core of our being. The second is our cognitive ability, measured by something called IQ. This we have all experienced. Whether you've attended a competitive exam or any other exam, you are tested on your ability to attend to data with speed and accuracy. But there is a large component of us which is emotions. Emotions are also data, just that they cannot be cast into numbers. So if we really want to know something about ourselves, it is important that we learn about emotions also. Just learning about our personality, learning only about the logical concepts of what we are is not enough. We need to learn a little bit more about how we are as an emotive human being. We get emotions from the time we wake up to the time we go to sleep. For that matter, it has been studied that we even get emotions when we have dreams. So this entire range of emotions is something that is happening with both you and I. If I can understand my own emotions and I learn how to manage them, if I can understand your emotions and learn how to respond to them, then my interactions with you, with society in general, with my friends, with my relatives, with my people at work is going to be far more productive, efficient and effective. Emotional intelligence, friends, is a very powerful tool. I would strongly recommend that you click on the link below and get access to the course on emotional intelligence, where I will work with you and take you through the entire framework of what emotional intelligence is, why is it important to learn it, how can we work with it, how can we improve using it, how can we learn how to manage stress and anger, how can we become leaders. This course is not just theory, it has tools, tips and techniques, and I would strongly recommend that you click on the link below and meet me in the course. Thank you.